Ernie here with Your Home Solar. You know, we work very hard to make sure that our customers are educated in their solar investment. As part of that goal, we've decided to create a series of videos just really focusing on commonly asked questions that we hear. All right, guys, for the next question that we have, we're actually going to combine two things. We get asked a lot about what are the best programs that are out there for solar, as well as how do I get the best out of my system. The first program that's out there right now is what's called the Dispersed Power Program, and for short you'll hear that referred to as the DPP program a lot. First of all, it is a true buyback program. So what do I mean by that? I mean they actually write you a check each month for your excess power. Then on top of that, they give you get paid back somewhere around 2.5 cents a kilowatt hour. It is wholesale rates, unfortunately, and that rate fluctuates. Sometimes it'll be a little bit more than 2.5, sometimes it'll be a little bit less. But it's usually somewhere around that range, is that 2.5% buyback. And then the third thing about the DPP program is that it has some utility companies, not all, a little more than half, have a monthly utility fee that they charge as part of that program. The next thing that we're going to go over is the 30% federal tax credit. This federal tax credit, and you heard me right there, it's actually 30% of the total price of the system that you can claim towards your federal taxes. So just to kind of put that in perspective, if you pay $10,000 for a solar system, then $3,000 of that would actually count toward your federal taxes. So you would get $3,000 of that back or have your liability reduced by $3,000. If you pay $50,000 for a solar system, then I believe the math is $15,000 that you would actually get back for that or be able to claim towards your liability. And then if you pay $100,000 for your solar system, that's a $30,000 tax credit. So huge benefit there. And then the really cool thing about that is you actually have as many years as the tax credit stays in effect in order to claim the tax credit over time. So what that means is all the way out till right now it's in effect until 2035 is the last year of it, and that can always be expanded as well. All the way out until 2035, you can roll that tax credit over. Let's say you only pay $4,000 a year or $5,000 a year or something like that, and you've got a $15,000 tax credit. You would be able, and you're paying $5,000 a year, you would be able to roll that over 1, 2, 3 years to claim that full tax credit, which is a really cool benefit because a lot of people don't have that much of a tax liability throughout the year. So it allows people even that have a lower tax liability in order to still claim the full amount of their tax credit. So very cool. And then the final question or part of this question is, how do I get the most out of my system? And what we encourage customers to do is to combine these two programs with a home battery system, because what then you can do is you can take the extra power that is created over time, stick it in your battery during the day when you're creating more than you're using, and then at night and the evening time when your system is producing less or none, if it's nighttime, you can actually pull from your battery to reduce that nighttime and evening time usage. And then on top of that, any excess that you do send back because your battery's filled up during the day, you can get paid back for that excess. And then you get the 30% tax credit to claim against your taxes at the end of the year. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. We hope this video has helped you in better understanding your solar investment. And as always, we here at Your Home Solar wish you many sunny days.